And hello everybody. So welcome on this live stream. I hope you can hear me good and you can see everything that I'm showing right now. Unfortunately, I had tremendously bad yesterday, and today is pretty much the same way, going the same way. We don't have electricity right now in the city. We have like a 1 hour, 1.5 hour of electricity through the day, sometimes in the middle of the night. So yeah, so it's kind of annoying and overwhelming to say at least. But yeah, guys. So once again, welcome everybody. Happy Tuesday. I hope you can spend this day better than I do, and to make more proficient trades during this market. So what we currently see on Bitcoin and other markets, let's take a look at this. And I'm going to start off, I'm going to start off simply by checking on the market, and let's see where we got. So right now we at 62,300. So today wasn't so active. So market just started, and I can see that the market is not so active as I would like to see that. But yeah, it is what it is. So well, let's take a look at multiple time frames as well. So one second, I'm gonna check over here. Yeah. So okay, what we discussed yesterday, we pretty much traded by this scenario. So I described it two scenarios where we got breakout from 63,500, and if we go to the upside, if we got some fake outs, then we short from $64,000. However, we didn't play out with fake outs. We just simply in very choppy manner. That's not a price action that I would expect from Mondays. However, it is what it is, and we got really choppy price action to the downside. And you can see over here, we barely touched the stop loss. However, it wasn't triggered because the price of stop loss was a little bit higher than the stop loss. So I think because of very slow connection, or I don't know if because of my PC on the some kind of battery saver mode, I have this kind of glitch on the pictures of the video. I'm gonna try to fix that. However, I don't know if it's possible. So guys, sorry for the quality of the video on today's and yesterday live stream. So that is not something that I want to have. Anyways, so right now, what we got over here, let me check. I'm trying to set up this. So I got really bad connection over here, really slow connection. So I hope you can at least hear me. And from what I see on TradingView over here, and from what I see in my OBS software, I see that my connection is really slow. So guys, I'm not going to stay on this one for long. Once again, I want to update the situation over here. So I hope you can just simply hear me good and try to, I don't know, maybe listen this as a podcast. So once again, we played out this short really nicely. We took the profits from 62,300, and I hope you guys could take this opportunity and short the market. If so, then that's for you. And from what I expect right now, I honestly, I just didn't take too much attention on the market because of this, because all of this around me. So it's really hard to say for sure where we're going. However, what I can see over here, we got 62 200 main support line and main support level, which could play out really nice. And 62,200 is this as the level which I would like to see to hold, to be honest. However, we got over here the next level at 61,800. So personally, I would take a look on this intraday setup if I could, to stay on the market more, but yeah, it is really hard to do. So once again, what I see here is $62,000 is a key level. It's going to be a key level for today. If we're going to break below $62,000, that's going to bring prices to the downside in the potentially 61,800, 61,500. That's the levels where it could go. Like from resistance standpoint, we got this some kind of resistance over here building up over here. I hope you can pick up on this video frame. Once again, I'm really sorry about that quality of the frames. It's just terrible speed connection right now during this electricity shutdowns in the Ukraine. The connection is dropping really hard. So you can see this trend line to the downside. This is the trend line which I expect to be a main resistance over here, and we could go to 61,500, maybe $61,000 possible. That's possible. But once again, beware of short-term fluctuations, because like right now on 62,200, we kind of creating some kind of maybe double bottom. Like, I'm just saying this is a probability for double bottom. However, it could be something different. So just stick with that and see how it will go, and to see how it will react over 62,500 breakout, because 62,500, this is our intraday range. 62,500, 62,200. This is our intraday range for today, and we're going to see where the market is going to react. If it's going to break below or it's going to break above, that's going to determine the further price action of today and tomorrow as well. So let's switch over a little bit, talk a little bit about Solana. And Solana right now is really struggling to hold. Since yesterday, we got retest, basically rejection from 160, and from 160 we just drop it down to 153. And right now at 153, I'm not really sure if we're going to hold, because there is more levels to go. Actually, there is more levels to go, like 151. That's the level which I'm actually expecting from Solana on this short-term price action. I would like to see it at 151, and I really would like to take this opportunity to short this. However, once again, I don't have really stable connection and electricity right now to just do this. So I'm going to, I'm going to try to stay away from markets because sometimes if you have bad connection, if you have things like this, it could go wrong with your account. So I don't want to risk too much. So I'm going to stay with this only on the chart note. I'm going to take a look at this, make some make some summaries and things like this for me myself, and yeah. So 151 is the target for Solana at this moment. I think this is going to be a good opportunity, and if we're going to reject from 151 or we're going to dip below, I don't know. I don't really know. So far, there is too much of probabilities. We have this chart. This 1 hour chart is looking like, okay, it's kind of have some potential to the upside. but it also have potential to the downside. So it could be both. And right now, I'm not so sure to say that we are completely bullish or we are or we are completely bearish. So that's kind of price action right now. There is a huge amount of possibilities of Elliott waves, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. It could be ABC, it could be XYZ, and all this kind of stuff in this kind of consolidation areas. That's kind of annoying to to try to figure it out. It's just better to work with levels, and at these places like this, I really see the opportunities just to work with levels, just to work with key breakouts, with key pullbacks, and where it's going to happen, you're gonna see it, and you just need to react quickly and try to not forget about stop loss and things like this, and just is going to be fine. So for Solana, I'm looking for 151 during next hours, potentially to the end of this day or maybe tomorrow. So yeah, I really hope that we're going to have more electricity tomorrow, but that's not what I can control. So right now it's just a situation for me. So once again, Bitcoin at 62 300, still bouncing around over here. Looking on 30-minute time frame, you can see over here we are below this resistance line. We are at exactly Fibonacci level 62 300. So this is kind of area where it's going to break or pull back. So if we're going to go below 62 300 and 200, that's going to take some key liquidity from the market. It's going to take the market prices down, and it's going to be a good opportunity for take profits from the short, or take profits from new short, like if you entering on breakout from 62 200. So yeah, guys. And quick note about S&P 500. S&P 500 pretty much stayed in the kind of similar range. We was yesterday in pretty much same zone. So we currently in the range bound market. However, I see some opportunities over here as well. I look at this situation here at 56.30. We got rejection from it, and we got double rejection from it. So this is a possible triangular shape over here that's going to take us to the downside. So this is potential flag to the downside. And yeah, so what I'm expecting over here is possible short to the let me check the levels. So once again, I'm trying to highlight this area of this flag. And so you can see over here, we're just breaking out from this flag. We still got more liquidity areas like 56.10 and 56.06. So these areas are important to break. And if we go break this one, we're going to touch much lower levels. And for example, I would like to say that, okay, next level that we could touch is 55. It's 55.95, something like this. It's going to be a really nice level to at least try to touch. Maybe lower, but I'm not so sure about that. So yeah, this is kind of update for S&P 500. So if you kind of looking on this market, I hope this is going to help you out as well. And meanwhile, the Solana is getting breaking down a little bit below 153 for just a brief moment. So yeah, it's kind of moving to the downside. So this is what I'm kind of expecting, is to hit 151 on this print. So yeah, guys, I really enjoyed this one. I'm sorry for the quality of the video. Basically, I cannot do something about it at the moment. And yeah, guys, stay profitable. Have a nice Tuesday, and see you tomorrow in the same time. So stay tuned to the channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.